Hello, everybody, and a big and warm welcome back to Be10x. 10x your productivity. I'm Antriksh, and I am pleased to announce what a comeback by Meta. मैं comeback भी नहीं कहूंगा इसे. I would just say that they were never gone. They have absolutely, and trust me when I'm saying this, they have absolutely changed the game for AI, for themselves, and for their consumers. Matlab, the Meta Connect event was such a success, was such an enthralling experience for all Meta users, for all Meta enthusiasts, for all AI enthusiasts as an overall. I mean, it was an event for a generation. And I'm going to take you through all of that, everything and more and more. So if you want to know more about the event, keep sticking with the video. And if you want to know more about AI and how to leverage ChatGPT, how to use AI tools to the fullest extent, and to be taught by two alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. There's the link down below in my description, and all of you will get the workshop for a very meager price for just 2-3 hours of your time. And trust me, आप जितना AI tools के बारे में सीखोगे उतना कम है. And again, as I said, जहां आप जैसे ही आप उस workshop में होगे, you'll witness something else. So moving on with the Meta Quest event, it was a magnificent event. It was a spectacle. Quest 3, basically their new AI, which has been launched, and the physical, one of the first physical properties and physical implications of AI was their cool smart glasses with collaboration with Ray-Ban. They have also introduced another AI bot, which is Emu. What does Emu? What Emu does is he is a विकसित रूप. जैसे पिकाचू को हमने देखा था, इवॉल्व फॉर्म विकसित रूप था पीचू, पिकचू, राइचू, एंड उसी तरीके से इमोजी का अब है एक एआई का डेवलप्ड फॉर्म ईमू. What Emu does is in all the Meta, we already know they go Meta by cool dope company. They own Facebook, they own WhatsApp, they own Instagram, they've launched threads, they've everything going basically in their ecosystem. Now, obviously, chat is a big part of all of those ecosystems, all of these social media apps. And Emu, what Emu does is it basically acts as an AI sort of generation AI technology that can create stickers for you with your text. So basically, text to picture tha, now there's text to speakers. There's stickers. So that's Emu for you. I mean, it just changes the game in terms of texting. You type it out ki, angry cat sitting on a dog sitting on Mount Everest, and it's going to give you a sticker for that. And that's just so amazing. They also introduced many chatbots featuring like different roles and different stuff. There's Max. Oh, okay, right. Let me get the whole list for you guys. So there's Max, a sous chef, Lily, a personal editor, Lorena, a world traveler, Victor, a workout planner, and Dylan, the DIY craft expert, and the most interesting of them all, Snoop Dogg as a dungeon master in a text adventure game. How cool is that? I mean, the extent to which AI is actually evolving, it's अपने पांव फैला रहा है so early into the game is just phenomenal to sort of understand. And as we keep going on into this venture called AI, and Meta is just taking us through and through and through. So they've also said that Instagram will now introduce two AI editing tools called Backdrop and Restyle, if I'm not wrong. What Backdrop would do is it's basically one of those कि जैसे ये photo है, जैसे आप मेरा frame देख पा रहे हो, यहाँ पे switchboard आ रहा है, quite annoying, right? What it's going to do is if it's a photo this, what it will basically do is in a very effective manner and in a very generative way manner, जैसे ये wall है, so it will assume कि यहाँ पे wall ही होगी, obviously इसके पीछे भी we can just erase this part, we can just erase this tar, and वहां पर wall आ जाएगी. How cool is that? And you can do that in you can do that in Instagram. And the other one, which is Restyle, what it basically does is, again, you just give a text prompt. So maroon polo, nah, it's not working. Black polo with white polka dots, boom, you'll wear that in the photo. That's Restyle. That's the Instagram uploading game absolutely changed for you. वैसे ही कम filters और कम editing नहीं होती थी Instagram पे, अब तो बाएं हाथ का खेल बना दिया सबके लिए. So that's that. Meta का जो main AI है, that's Meta AI, like, and it's obviously, as we all know, based on Llama 2 model, so which is obviously known for its photo generation on just basic prompts. So there was this really cool segment wherein they were showing the extent of what it can imagine. and they gave this prompt, fairy sloth in a magical forest, and it actually came in. And then there was this cool prompt saying astronaut underwater, and वो bubbles आ रहे थे पानी का, वो पूरा आ रहा था, and astronaut था उसके अंदर. And then there was this snowy landscape, dinosaurs as pets. तो एक सोफे पे कैट और डायनासोर एक साथ बैठे थे. So that was actually showing कि जो human imagination में obviously नहीं, because that is something जिसका कोई real image internet पे नहीं present है, because obviously you cannot have dinosaurs as pets. तो किसी ने फोटो क्या ही डाली होगी जब वो possible ही नहीं है. So but actually doing that, fairy sloth in a magical forest. So all of this just gives us chills, and this is what we can do. And trust me, you're going to learn Mid Journey, you're going to learn every AI tool for image generation. Mid Journey free वाले जो tools है, obviously not Mid Journey, but the competitors, and you will learn so much more in the workshop link down below. All you need to do is you just need to the workshop, and you'll have the workshop only for 9 rupees. Yup, 9 rupees. And you only need to invest probably 2-3 hours of your time, and you'll learn. You'll be an AI master within that time. So do check out the link below, and do click on that link below. So moving on with the absolute meta fanboyism that I'm going on. As I said, they also introduced their chatbots. Now what they'll basically do is sous chef, they are customized sort of planners for the specific events they're made for. Like Dan jo tha, sorry, Dan nahi, Max jo tha, jo sous chef tha. So all you can do is you need to give him the country context, the basic basic the regional context. So like India maybe agar aap Gujarati dish chahiye, so with a Gujarati twist, or Spanish Gujarati fusion something. So maybe you'd make dokla with salsa or something, although that'll be very, very poor choice. I don't know why I said that. Dokla with salsa would gross most people out, but you know what I mean. So anyway, so that's all of these chatbots are for. And trust me, the biggest announcement, Meta with Ray-Ban have created the coolest glasses ever. Now what they do is they are these glasses, your normal Ray-Ban glasses, but they only look normal. They have nothing. They have cameras right up here, so whatever you're going to see, it's almost as if you'll feel वो इतना immersive experience है कि आपको लगेगा कि आपकी आंखों में कैमरा और वो उससे कैप्चर हो रहा है. So what it can do is, आप voice prompt है उसमें touch prompt है, it has speakers, it can record videos, it can go live, it can do live streams, it can connect with your phone through Bluetooth. Oh man, it's just amazing. It can act as speakers. So basically uski yahan par, I wish I had the Ray-Ban glasses to show you what I'm talking about. It basically has those, like जो basically एक डंडा होता है ना यार चश्मे का. तो what it has a thicker touch panel. So what you can do is you double tap, it'll change the song. You double tap, it'll change the song. You do this, the volume is reduced. You do this, the volume is up by 10%, 20%, 30%. You just need to do this. It's so cool. You say, hey Meta, and it'll just get activated. Can you record a video? And it'll start recording the video. And wherever you would see, it'll keep recording. वो record करता रहेगा. And then you'll say stop the video. And boom, आपके पास video आ गई और उसमें वो save हो गई. That's so cool. Take a photo. Meta, could you take a photo? And there it takes the photo. जैसे अभी मैं Meta take a photo. अभी जो भी मेरा screen आ रहा है streaming setup पे, it'll just come in. It'll just recording setup पे, it'll just come in. Exactly वही खींच लेगा वो. Now it is speakers. Meta, could you play a song? Or even with Bluetooth. Or what you can do is, so like if you're going live, right? If you're going live and you're with your phone camera, what you can do is you would switch the phone camera to the वैसे चश्मे का symbol आएगा, चश्मा symbol. And what it'll do is suddenly जो इस कैमरे से ये दिख रहा था ऑडियंस को, अब उन्हें इस कैमरे से ये दिखने लगेगा सामने वाला. And आपके फोन में डिस्प्ले होगा कि you're showing them whatever you're seeing in and around. That's the coolest. I think, if I'm not wrong, I may be wrong, एक बार check कर लेना, they're priced at around $300, so it's no mean feat, however you look at it. But 300 tha something, I'm not sure, don't quote me on the price here, but yeah. But what I can tell you the price of is our workshop, which is only for 9 rupees. And what you can do is you can just sign up in the link down below, and you can get access to that absolutely amazing workshop which will just fill you up with AI knowledge and just teach you all the AI tools you'll ever need in your life, in your professional life, student life, or whatever you desire for. So with that, it was a quick roundup, a very enthusiastic roundup of the Meta AI. Thank you so much to everyone who joined in. If you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you did like the content. Till the next time, take care of yourself, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.